how to fix something went wrong problem in Twitter. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix something went wrong problem in Twitter account. So there are 3 steps. First step is make sure that your internet connection is on, and the second step is go to your setting and now go for install apps. Click on install apps and search for Twitter. Here is it. So click on Twitter and you can see force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. And the last step is go back to the settings, search for about phone. Here is it. So click on about phone and press on system update. See if there is anything available for update. Click on update. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.